This is Sure Shot. This is the Super Mag. You can see the two dots. We're gonna go for the dot on the left. That is the 1 pound container of Super Mag. All right. Let's see if we can hit this thing. Holy shit. Let's go for the one on the right.
All right.
Follow the smoke trail, Ted.
Got it. Got it.
That is echoing through the mountains. Holy crap. Look at the smoke.
Holy crap. I gotta get that.
Wow. That is the Super Mag 1 pound container. As you can see, it left quite an explosion. Nothing else beats it. There's nothing else on the market like it. It is the most powerful, strongest, and certainly the loudest exploding target available. Get yours at Prepper's Discount today. You will not be disappointed. Thanks.
It is recording.
Okay, here we go. This is a 2 pound container of Sure Shot Super Mag. Here we go. Holy crap.
Must have been gone. There's a gigantic hole.